The coronavirus has affected the human lives drastically, be it on the social level or the economic level. The effects has been massive. Industries like travel, dine-in eateries, entertainment were amongst the top bearers of this pandemic. Hello everyone, this is Aparna Chandra from Yugasa News, and today we are going to talk about the 5 on-demand services that came on the rise during the pandemic. The on-demand services grew exponential in last 1 year. Yes, be it the entertainment industries that had companies like Netflix, Amazon Prime and many others that came into rise during the times when the cinema halls and the theaters were closed. Today we are going to look at the various on-demand services that became a part of our lives during this pandemic, and most probably they are going to stay with us even after this pandemic. The first and foremost on-demand service we are going to talk about is the food and grocery. Yes, several on-demand service industries like the Zomato, Deliveroo, Uber Eats and Postmates followed the concept of contactless delivery. Contactless delivery is expected to eliminate the risk of spreading infection between the customer and the drivers. The second on-demand service that we are going to talk about is the entertainment industry. This COVID-19 pandemic somewhere created a huge void in the film industry because the blockbusters were not able to get released in the theaters. Here, the streaming platforms took over the theater and the cinema halls. The video on demand services platform like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime became very significant during this time for the entertainment. The third point that we are going to talk about is the healthcare and fitness on demand services. The telemedicine solutions are enabling patients to get appointment with the physicians and consult with them virtually with online prescriptions and advices. This is helping them to avail other benefits that a telemedicine solution can offer. Moreover, varied telemedicine services and models such as store forward telemedicine, remote patient monitoring, real-time medicine are allowing patients to avail other and high benefits in the healthcare service virtually. The fourth point comes out to be the mobility on-demand services. Amid the limitation of COVID-19 pandemic, what has helped people to move from one place to another is the on-demand mobility services like the Uber, Ola and other taxi on-demand providers. This has paved the way for easier mobility access for the people. The last on-demand service that we are going to talk about is the education on-demand services. While the online courses and the teaching marketplaces have been here for a very long time to support the education on demand, these services saw a huge rise as most of the educational institutions such as schools, universities and coachings remained shut down during the COVID-19 pandemic. On-demand educational apps are enabling educational institutes to connect with the students and share study materials so that the students can learn at their own pace. This has helped them to gain a ground during the pandemic. These on-demand services are not only a collection of already available movies and series, but also a new platform to release the new movies. Likewise, when the public transportation services were all closed, on-demand transportation took place. And the same can be said about the food transportation too. Food industries with on-demand services were the only things which were in a way empowered people to stay in their homes during the COVID-19 pandemic and have the respected life amidst this coronavirus. Thank you.